In general, what we see, there's no doubt that Chinese tariffs have an impact on the German car makers. And the situation is very interesting right now, and there's a difference between the situation in the US and Europe and US and China. So higher tariffs or these threats or tensions between the US and China, they impact particularly Mercedes-Benz and BMW, because those two are extremely exposed because they produce their very profitable SUV cars in the States and they ship it to China for the local market. Of course, everybody's of the German car sector is exposed, also Volkswagen with all 12 brands in the group. But let me just give you a little bit an idea about the numbers. Mercedes-Benz last year, they shipped 60,000 SUVs from their Alabama plant to China. And right now, if Mercedes or Daimler couldn't pass on the 25% tariff hike onto their clients or customers, then that would hit earnings by about 500 million annually. So in context of last year's operating profit, that's about 3%. And we think that the real number will be lower because both CEOs of Daimler and of BMW, they already indicated that they have some flexibility to react flexible and in a nimble way to even increase the production locally in China. So that's basically the perfect example of protectionism. Mercedes produces right now about 68% of the cars that they sell in China, they produce locally, and that number is about, we expect that number to increase in the case of further tariffs.
But isn't your understanding from that meeting that I referenced between President Trump and European Commission President Juncker that they're going to work towards the reduction of tariffs, and actually there's going to be no further discussion on the auto tariffs? So shouldn't your baseline assumption be that no tariffs are going to end up getting applied as far as the autos are concerned? I
wouldn't count on anything here. What I was talking about is US-China, and as I said, it's different between US and Europe. I mean, probably one day we will look at zero tariffs, but we cannot count on that. So it's a different situation. Everybody is involved in that, but overall, it's a different scenario for US-China, and overall, there can be a very good outcome.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.